Tired of a dust storm every time you clean your ceiling fan? I've got a genius hack for you that's a total game changer. Let's get that fan sparkling without any mess. First things first, safety. Make sure your fan is completely turned off at the switch. Now, grab an old pillowcase. Yep, a pillowcase. This is our secret weapon. Slide the pillowcase over one of the fan blades, making sure it covers the whole thing. Now, with your hands on the outside of the pillowcase, press down gently and pull it back towards you. All that dust, dirt, and grime gets trapped right inside. Repeat this for each blade. See? No dust raining down on you or your furniture. For any stubborn bits left behind, just give them a quick wipe with a dry microfiber cloth. Finally, take a slightly damp cloth and wipe down the fan's base and motor housing. And just like that, your ceiling fan is spotless. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning hacks. Thanks for watching.